Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you, but today in my video I don't have any topic to discussion because this times I am making the dinner. So I don't have more much time, so I decided to have the practice with you. I told you, so I thought I should make the video. So this times I am making the dinner as well, making the video for you, and I am having the practice with you. Actually, all the times I think something like this. I can't speak English with other person, but I have some solution for you. If you are seriously want to improve your communication skill, you should speak with yourself. This is a very good way for improving English. Even I am using these ways, so that's why I am telling to you. And actually, as a beginner, fear of being the insulted by other person. As a beginner, fear of making the mistake. If you are not comfortable to speak with other person, you can speak with yourself. This way is very good for improving English, and definitely you can use. Okay, actually I am making the video for you and I am having the practice. I tell you every time, please let me know whether I am good or not. At least tell me whether I am good or not, because so that's why I am making the video, because I want to get feedback, so that's why I am here. Okay, so please let me know. I am having the practice continuously with you. Please at least let me know, please. If you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Please don't forget the comment. Your comment and your like is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.